So good afternoon, my dear students. I hope all of you have the good preparation. Maybe all of you started the revision classes of the software engineering promptly. Anyway, I wish you all the best for your examination point of view. So there is no need to worry about this subject now. Today or tomorrow, I will simply send that important questions, important question bank in our WhatsApp group. Just you prepare those questions enough for the examination point of view. In the part of my important list, important question list, important topic list, one of the important repeated question in the examination point of view is called W5HH Principle. W5HH Principle. When you carefully looking this title, compared to previous titles, this title is looking new and some new structure. So what is the basic concept of this principle in the software engineering means those who are maintain the project development in the software engineering, the project developers will be follow this kind of principle. Those developers, when you follow this kind of principle, they will got successful output in the software engineering. So here I want to express my feelings about this principle sequentially. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of this principle. What is the principle of, what is the meaning of this principle? I think you only guess. W5HH is called a name, is called method, is called a process, is called a pace, is called a stage. No, it is called a structure. It is called a structure. When you follow this kind of structure, you will be get a tuning and meaningful output in the software engineering. Here, this principle was developed by one famous software developer is called Barry Boehm. Barry Boehm. So he is the greatest and well-known software developer. He has to prepare one kind of principle. So what is the concept of this principle is there? By using this principle, we have to explain about various easy and defined designs and outlines for project development. We have to explain the easy methods, easy process, easy methodologies, and easy defined designs. Easy defined designs and outlines for project development. He has to given, Barry Boehm has given a technique to discuss objectives of the project, management of the project, duties of the various people of the project, technical approach of the project into necessary resources. Yes, basically, every project developer will follow this kind of methods. First, what about objectives we want? How to manage this kind of project and system software? And what is the main role of the each categories and each person? And what technical approach, which kind of technology is suitable to make this kind of software? Means, according to Barry Bone, W5HH will be meaning as W5 means 5 questions beginning with the W letter. 5 questions will be starting with the letter is called W. And 2H is called as 2 questions beginning from H letter. Enough. You got a good and tuning project, tuning system software. So what is this 5 questions of W and what is questions of 2HS? Just we discuss here. So as per my knowledge, I have to take some kind of explanation about each category, each process. What is the meaning of W5? What is the meaning of 2H? By combine these, he has to prepare the principle is called W5HH. In this W5, first question goes to here, why the system is going to be developed? Why the software is going to be developed? So what is the need to develop? He has to question for the purpose of software work. All stakeholders and developers must assess the validity of the system project. They have to imagine my software is useful or not. It is a valid for long time or short term. How much time period is utilized this software? After my completion of software, the stakeholders will be imagine how much time period is possible to run this software. Which kind of configuration is suitable for this software? Everything will be questioned in the for W1. What is that? Why the software or system is going to be developed. Second question is there, W2. What is activities are needed to be done in this? He has to question for the purpose of which kind of task suitable for the project. Which kind of task? Data is ready. Components is ready. But you can imagine, so which kind of task is possible for this? Banking sector is, for example, I want to prepare my software for banking purpose. I want to prepare my software for management purpose. I want to design my software for like a private sector, public sector, government purpose, college purpose, depend on that. He has to put the question, second question for what? Which kind of task suitable for project? Question number 3. When is this done? One of the tuning question mark. Variable question for the purpose of what is the time period required to done a project? Means every software will be take some kind of time period. Big project, big software taken by a single person, take a lot of time is there. Same project, same big project will be taken by the 5 members, taking little bit of time is there. Means you have to put the question, how much time period will be required to completion of my software? Question number 4, that is called W4, will be imagine who are the reasons for these activities in this project. he has to given the question for purpose of how many members required to done the project and what are the roles of the each team member. One person dedicated to developer means own developing purpose. One person goes to programming means code generation purpose. One person goes to analysis means what? Analyzing purpose. Means what? The duty will be specified to the person means that only taken by the person. Means one project will be taken by the how many members required to completion of this software or system software. Question number 5 means W5. Where are these authoritatively located? He has to expose his feeling like a of why customers are not a part of the project development. Project was designed by the project manager, project developer, project programmer, project analyst, but output goes to customers. After receive the output by the customer, he has to examine how much useful this software to me. After he realized, he has to give the feedback. Based on the feedback, the person will be having some kind of enthusiasm and make some kind of more softwares, more programs, more tasks. So this is called as W5. Then you go to second 2H is called as in the first second 2H. The first one goes to here. How is the job technically and managerially finished? Means what? I am taking here some projects are depend on your own knowledge, own subject. By the help of the own knowledge and subject, he has to prepare some kind of projects are there. It is called technical jobs. But manage nothing but the management has to provide one kind of project is there. After receive the project by the management, now you ready to which kind of sources are possible to apply here. Is called managerial jobs. He has to expose here the project purely finished by technical methods or managerial methods. Second question, how much part of each resource is required? He has to expose his feeling like a software developers after the estimation of each resources as per the needs of the customer. C software is a low configured software to build C programs. Python is the high configured than C language. Both are not same in the configuration, but both are belongs to software. Nothing but the project manager, the project developer will be applied some kind of resources to depend on customer choice. Old configuration system is not support the Python. High configured system will be process, will be run, will be operate. Old and high configuration softwares means old configuration only sufficient for the that kind of configuration software only. So depend on estimation by the programmer behalf of customer satisfaction, behalf of customer requirement. He has to apply some more features. C, C++, Java, Oracle, Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning in the future, like their imaginations. So present generation required high configured softwares. But that time, the software companies are apply the current resources, current requirements, what they want. So based on this explanation, now you have some idea. W5HH, W5HH principle is there. So maybe chance this question in the examination point of view for short question carries 5 marks. So listen carefully, otherwise take a number of reviews up to you realize. After you realize, please write this topic in your notes. I hope all of you received the valuable information from this my video class. So maybe helping to you all for the examination point of view. Thank you. Thank you very much.